discover how to add multiple prices per product in WooCommerce. Flexible pricing that increases your conversion. Okay, so for example, here we've got this particular product, and straight away, as you can see, we've got numerous pricing options for this single product. But we can take it a step further. We can actually customize this pricing based on the user group or based on a particular user. So if we've got a VIP customer, maybe we want to give them preferential pricing, show you exactly how you can do that and so much more. And to achieve all this, we'll be using the Wholesale WP plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or just head over to wholesalewp.com. Go ahead and download the Wholesale WP plugin. Once you've done so, let's head over to our dashboard. Once you've got the plugin installed, there's a few things we can do. So we can set the pricing per product on a global level. And to do so, we'll just navigate over to Wholesale WP, and then we'll scroll down to where it says Dynamic Pricing Rules. Then from here, we can click Add Rule, and we can add numerous different type of pricing per product. For example, we can say tiered pricing. We can give it a name, it's for internal purposes. And then we can go ahead and select the specific product in which we want to add this pricing to. So for example here, but I prefer to just add it on a product level on a per product basis. If we head over to this product here, which we saw in the intro, I'm going to edit this product and show you how I actually created this pricing structure. When we scroll down, we can see group pricing and tier here. All right. And then straight away, we've got a few groups. So we've got our retail customer. So this is your regular WooCommerce customers. Here we can see if they purchase one item, they can get it for $24. However, when we scroll down, we've actually got some tiered pricing here. So we say if they purchase 2 items, they can get it for $18 per unit, 3 items, $15 per unit. But as I said, we can take it a step further. Here we can tailor the pricing to a different customer segment. So for example, this could be our wholesaler, our VIP customer, our members only, right? So if you're running a membership type site, then maybe you want to give members a better pricing rate over regular customers or non-members. So here we can go ahead and tweak the regular price, sale price, and we can add tiers as well. In terms of adding the pricing group, it's super simple. We'll go Wholesale WP and groups. And then from here, we can create various different groups. I'll leave a link in the description below explaining how this group system works. But essentially from here, you can create a preferred payment method per group, shipping, and so on. And of course, you can go ahead and tailor the pricing per user group as well. And that brings us to the end of this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.